Hello students, today you will be taking your selection test on the Song of Wandering Aengus and Eldorado. I'm going to read the questions and answer choices to you. I will only leave a few seconds between each question, so you will need to click pause so that you can answer each question carefully. If you need to hear a question or answer choice again, you can adjust the video accordingly and play each question and answer choice as often as you need. Remember to close all unnecessary tabs and mute your tab for a minute so that you can concentrate on your test. Don't forget to use your book. Good luck, kiddos. Let's get started. Question number 1. In the Song of Wandering Aengus, the poet uses the phrase, "Fire was in my head" in line 2 to suggest that the narrator was excited to go fishing in the stream, had planned to catch dinner and cook it, had many ideas burning in his brain, was searching for a fire in the woods. Press pause to select your answer. Question number 2. In the Song of Wandering Aengus, the poet uses a metaphor in the first stanza to describe what? The trees in the woods, the berries on the thread, the fish in the stream, the stars in the sky. Press pause to select your answer. I am dressed as Princess Daisy from Number 3. In the Song of Wandering Aengus, what do the details in stanza 2 suggest has happened? The fish had turned into a beautiful girl. The fire had gotten out of control. The fish had escaped and gotten away. The narrator was remembering a lost love. Press pause to select your answer. Question number 4. Read lines 21 to 24 in the Song of Wandering Aengus. What does the figurative language in these sentences reveal about the narrator? The narrator is hungry and searching for food. The narrator is tired of traveling day and night. The narrator is clever and will use any light to aid his search. The narrator is hopeful that his search will end positively. Press pause to select your answer. Yeah, and it's a scary when my little kid said, "I'm scared of living here because it's so scary," and he cried. And we said, "Where is it? Number 5. In Eldorado, the poet's use of short sentences helps create the poem's story theme, rhyming meter, word sounds, rhyming scheme. Press pause to select your answer. Number 6. In lines 4 and 5 from Eldorado, the sensory language in these lines highlights the character's what? Determination, idealism, optimism, romanticism. Press pause to select your answer. In the second stanza of Eldorado, the author uses the shadow to represent what? Despair, shame, sorrow, boredom. Press pause to select your answer. The poet pairs shadow and Eldorado in rhyme throughout the poem to demonstrate that Eldorado is something that is hard to locate, like a shadow. Eldorado is a place that is being linked with darkness, like a shadow. Eldorado is a feeling that is being depicted as a dark shadow. Eldorado is something bright that is being contrasted with something dark, or with a dark shadow. Okay, I'm going into Press pause to select your answer. Number 9. For number 9, you are selecting two answers. Select two ways both poets indicate passage of time in their poems. The poet describes events in the order that they happened. The poet uses figurative language to indicate the passing of days. The poets use the plot to describe the passing of time. The poets describe how the main characters have aged. The poets describe how the setting has changed. Press pause to select your answer. Select the button that matches each mood and tone to the correct poem. The Song of Wandering Aengus, Eldorado. Light, dark, hopeless, optimistic. Press pause to select your responses. These are your essay questions. This is essay question number 1. In both poems, the main characters are searching for something. How is what they are searching for similar? Press pause to indicate your response. Number 12. Describe the ways in which the main characters in the two poems differ. Include specific details from the poems to support your answer. When you are finished answering this question, kids, you are done with your test. Good luck.